Right then, on a dig. It's probably a one-off dig out with the Manticore. We're in Pembury, so I'm out with the crew from Invicta Seekers, and hopefully it'll be a good day. It's all virgin land, so yeah, enjoy. See you at the first hole, if there is a hole, that is. We have a disc shape. Not sure what it is, but we do have a disc shape just down here. Could be a button. Let's have a look. It could just be a little bit of rubbish, maybe. Probably a bit of rubbish, I would have thought. I'm going to go for rubbish. Never mind. It's not necessarily rubbish. To some it is, but anyway, this is the other part of it. It's a pinfire shotgun cartridge. So you're looking at the 1835, 1837 era, somewhere around there. So that's what it is. It's the plate that was there. And there you go. Pinfire shotgun cartridge. There's a hole, large, for one little bullet. Yep, just a bullet. Never mind. That was a 50. Right, there's the hole. It's just some decorative bit. I don't know if it's an old hook of some sort. 3 holes in there. And possibly a hook was here. Not too sure. But yeah, little decorative bit. Or a hanger. Right, we'll do the reveal together. It's either a coin or a button. You can probably just see the edge on there. It's quite difficult one-handed. I think it's a coin. It's come up as a 70-71. Quick wipe on my trousers. Oh, on my trousers. I'll have to give it a squirt. It's the size of a farthing, so that's probably what I'll go with. There is some writing on there, but it's a little bit toasted, the coin. So we are a little bit toasted. There is what looks like a male looking to the right. You can just see there. Yeah, I'll have a proper look at that, and you'll see that date there. You'll see on the video. Sorry about the ers and oohs and ahs. Right, I've not actually looked to see if it's a coin or whether it's a button. It's here. I think it's a coin. I'm looking for the imprint because I did see an imprint. Oh, there you go. There's part of the imprint there, just there. So I'd say it's a coin. It's probably going to be toasted again. Don't know. I'll give it a little spray up and then come back to you. As you can see, it's completely toasted. I can't even see a monarch on there. So I would say George II, George III, somewhere around there. Can't actually see anything. Nothing at all. Right then, got another signal, 7071. It's another coin, but I think it's a penny. A nowadays penny. Yeah, penny. A 1p coin. As you can see, how are we? Down about six inches. It looks like a pre-decimal penny. It is, and it is George V. $19.20. George V penny. Oh. There you go. Yeah, I've just got a nice 88. I have just revealed it anyway, but I just wanted to show yourselves as well. But it's a claw holding a ball. Clearly some form of furniture, I would have thought, but I'm not too sure what it sits on. Was it a foot? Like that maybe? Or was it something else? Yeah, very nice. Just got myself a little buckle. Just turfed it over. Little buckle. Little D buckle. Can't be bad. Very nice. Right then, just got a nice little buckle. There you go, look. Nice little buckle. Come up as a 45 on the Deus too. Very nice. Very nice indeed. Little D buckle. I should get a photograph of that for the video.